Alright guys, hey, we are back. Tony's Hobby Channel. We are doing an update video. So you guys remember a few weeks ago, I guess, a month or so now, I built this planter box. And as you see, we got plants growing in there. And we have some filled in that are filling in down here on the bottom. Alright, so let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. It's looking good so far. At least for this season, it should be fine. As far as next season goes, we'll see. But as you see, it is slowly starting to decompose. Slowly getting some action growing. Some little fungus among us. It's not completely soaked all the way through yet. So anyways, I wanted to give you guys just a quick update video of what this little short video is all about. We had secured it there. Got it all secured in there. So basically these 4x4s are secured with these 2x4s. These 2x4s are secured with that all back there. All of that back there is secured with all of this right here. So basically they've all been screwed in to make one big old happy family. So if and when it decides to start to shift and adjust, it's basically going to be working against itself the entire time. So eventually we'll see what happens. And so basically this is my little walkway here, and then I have some chickens over there. Then from there I'll get the rest of this opened up and cleaned up, working on it bit by bit. It's my little trellis, latticing, whatever you want to call it, repurposing material. Anyways, alright guys, this was just a quick video. Oh, also, how about a quick update on the chicken coop? Since we're here, we're talking about it, kind of, sort of. I just remembered that. Basically, this is where I'm at right now with this. I've already wrapped the other side, the bottom portion down here. As you see, it's secured on the bottom. And then I'm going to put another sheet like how I'm doing here. So basically I'm going to continue this and put another sheet running across there, secure it all in, put down like a million staples, and I already have this area dug out for it. Just got to clean it up a little bit, but basically that's where it's gonna go. And I want to have about halfway, that's about a foot, I'm gonna have halfway buried, so it'll be like halfway buried into the dirt when I'm done. Then from there I'll just continue and keep building the walls and different sections of it bit by bit. So basically this is what we're looking at. So basically all of that will be one huge area as far as chicken coop goes. It'll be massive. And then here, about from there to about here, I'm going to put a door. Try to put like a barn style door. And then from like basically from here over, I'll put another little wall. Then I could put like a bunch of garbage cans and the bird food and different things that I can store outside. Yay, fun, fun, fun. Alright guys, so this is Tony's Hobby Channel, also known as Restore It, Don't Junk It. I am on YouTube and also on eBay. The eBay channel is just Tony's Hobby Channel. And then also check out Hazel Eyed Finds. That same name is on both YouTube and eBay. And what else? Yeah, go check out, let's see, who else? Shout outs to Coins and Currency. It's a father-son team. They're pretty cool. They have their own little channel going on. Go check them out. They're both Facebook and Instagram. Wait, not Facebook. Well, I don't know. Instagram and YouTube, I mean. And then also Bella's Coin Hunt. That's another superstar, up and coming superstar. That's Bella and her dad, and they do coin searching and hunting, which is awesome. And then the Stacking Kid, go check him out. That's a good dude. Little businessman right there, trying to make $1 million like we all are. So big shout out to him. That's awesome. Let's see. Kevin Talbot, he's awesome. Go check him out. He has RC stuff. Think Media, go check them out. Sean Cannell, pretty awesome channel. Stack and Weight. Big shout out to Stack and Weight. Awesome dude. You are the freaking man. This dude is legit. Yeah, go check him out. Instagram, YouTube possibly. I haven't checked. Instagram for sure though. What else? I need to get like a list or something, huh? Guys, comment down below. Let me know what you think. If anybody's actually watching these. But that's okay if you're not. That little rooster's noisy. Alright guys, signing out. Peace. Tony's Hobby Channel. Signing out. Have a good evening, everybody.